How to sign in Suno AI account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you sign in or access your Suno AI profile. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for Suno AI. After you search for it, at the top, simply you can find the official URL of Suno like suno.com. Simply you'll have to tap on that. After you tap on that, you'll be able to get this kind of interface. From here, if you want to sign in, at the top right, tap on sign in. And from here, simply you can use different method to be sign in, like using your Apple account, Discord, Facebook, Google, and any other Microsoft account. Or you can also directly to be login using your phone number. Simply you can use any platform from here. After you choose your account, simply tap on continue. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully signed in or logged in my Suno AI account using my Google ID. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.